Well, today's little short video is going to be about DIY, little short project. I've got an 05 Cadillac STS, and thing laid down on me like Wednesday of this past week. Come to realize, I never did check in the trunk. I did air up the tire, in the back, but there's no pulling bar. And I went over to Amazon for a, they call it a aluminum. I don't know, they don't give enough detail. 28 bucks plus. And then went over to eBay, used a good GM one. I could get, supposedly when you buy them cars from the dealerships are 56 to 58 bucks. And, but anyhow, eBay used 30 and dealerships, like I say, 60 plus. So BRS had some material here, all except the 5/8 grade 5 5-inch long bolt. I had plenty of all thread, but that's not stout enough. Car weighs 3,900 pounds. So anyhow, I'm gonna have just about an hour tied up in this little project. About $250 in material for that bolt, plus, travel over to Tractor Supply to pick it up. All right, my materials are gonna be that 5/8 bolt by 11 threads per inch, grade 5. Then the 3/8 by 1.5 inch flat bar. Got plenty of flat bar here. 2-ton shackle. I'm just gonna have to, when I need it, I'll pull it out and remember put it back in the trunk. But the threaded pins, 1/2 inch, but I had to drill 41 64s to get the shank to fit through. Let's do it. Let's go over here to the Guardian real quick. Oh, say hello to my new shop dog so far. Trying to find, hey Thor, can you say hello? So we got this old pit bull, just gentle and docile as all get out. Got him out here today. I don't think he's gonna pull this off because there ain't no cats in here, but if we saw a cat, I think this power washer might take a hike. All right, let's go over here to the big Guardian. And I'm not gonna sit here and bore everybody with drilling holes. There's too many videos out there on YouTube. So I've got this cut for the shackle bolt. Yeah, the 41 64s, fits nice. I've already rounded the corners. Gonna get ready, you can see the scribe line. I'm gonna get ready to go over to the horizontal saw, cut that off, and then we're gonna bevel that a little bit. Let's go over here real quick to the bolt. Then I'm gonna take the head of the bolt, and of course I'm gonna cut in there about 3/16, because the head is a little over a quarter, and make a good weld on it, and that'll let that thing pivot. So that's just today, and then I'll stop and pick back up after it's all said and done. But the old Guardian really was a good investment from that last stake sale. Didn't want to take time to set up a mill, and you'll see, yes, we have the Hinkling Henrik vise all clamped down nice and safe. But yeah, it cut right through that 3/8 plate, no problem. Love this old drill press. We'll pick back up when it's done. Yeah, using Mr. Joe Pye's saw that he graciously gave me last January, and it's been a dandy. And I hope Joe can stop in here this April when he's in Dallas-Fort Worth area. But this saw has just been absolutely killer. That's old flame hardened material. And we had a little bit of booger drilling sharp, but this is a lug that's going to go on to that full bracket for the Cadillac. So we'll speed this up on the edge part. Same blade, Joe, that I got. And I've got some more, but same blade That's nice and straight after all them adjustments. And yep, you got to run these blades tight. We hope this all outlives me. Yeah, there's a lot of videos. Everybody's cutting off metal, so we'll fast forward it. We're going to go on to the next step of getting that eye bolt, or that X bolt milled out and welded together with 7018. Alright, the bolt is all welded on, and I didn't use low hydrogen. I went ahead and used 6011, and because the smallest low hydrogen I got is 3/16. I don't have any 1/8 here. And so shackles on, and we'll go out there and mount it on the car. And now we have us a pull dog in case that Cadillac lays down again, because them wrecker drivers are havoc. They hook up underneath on the transverse axles and stuff, and bend stuff and break fiberglass and plastic, and next thing you know, oh, I didn't do that. Okay, well, we're gonna stop this and go out and mount it on the car here. All right, like I say, those ones from Amazon and dealerships are awful expensive, and I extended this out another inch, but now when it goes up on a rollback, it has a pivot point, so that way, and I'm pulling it straight's fine, but it has a pivot point. So that's the end of this little DIY fix, and it's going to go into the trunk. And this Cadillac, been a good one. I got it at 72,000 miles, for $250. Put a $500 worth of used parts on it. Nope, I ain't gonna paint it. It's got hail damage on it. It's got a salvage title, but she's given me some mass flow air sensor readings, and just changed out another blue streak in. A good thing that they are lifetime warranty. It's the fourth one this car's had in, but can't afford to be laid down and not have a way to pull it up on the wrecker. This same attachment goes to the rear, so don't go out there and spend and waste your money on one of them aluminum anodized deals from Amazon, guys and gals. Just fab you up your own, and the grade 5 bolt welded on with 3/8 plate. It's overkill, but I know dang well that it ain't gonna release going up there on that rollback if it ever has to. So Bear's Rod Shop for a little short video this Sunday, and on April 2nd. Guess I'm gonna be parting with this thing pretty soon. It's got 128, got brand new tires on it, less than probably 4,000 miles. Gets good mileage, but when these things start going down, they get expensive. So gonna be looking to sell this one real quick and get it back in, probably another pickup besides the Dodge. So anyhow, hope you like this real quick build. We're Bear's Rod Shop, and we're gonna be out of here. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you like these old DIY shop homemade fixes. Would appreciate your comments. We're out of here.